Former President Jacob Zuma says the former National Commissioner of Correctional Services had an obligation to protect him as an inmate and exercise his constitutional responsibilities. In his heads of arguments filed in the SCA, Zuma says the Correctional Services Act empowered the National Commissioner to act decisively. He says the Act obligated Fraser to respect, protect, promote and fulfill the rights in the Bill of Rights, which include the rights of an inmate to adequate medical treatment and the right not to be subjected to cruel and degrading punishment.
The ruling which has been made by the High Court, I do not foresee him succeeding with the appeal. I think maybe the High Court only granted him leave to appeal just for them to bring certainty and also finality in the matter. Because you will also remember one of the reasons which was given by the Commissioner, Mr. Fraser. He said that he gave Mr. Zuma a medical parole so as for him to avoid an unrest which was taking place in Durban.
The fact that there is no any medical evidence that says the former president is not was fit to stand the rest of his sentencing. So the court may decide, in as far as the medical parole is concerned, having looked at what will be presented, the court may still be likely to find in his favor, depending on the medical evidence.
In 2021, Zuma was sentenced to 15 months imprisonment by the Constitutional Court for contempt of court after he breached its earlier order to abide by the State Capture Commission's summons to appear before it. However, former Correctional Services Commissioner Arthur Fraser released him on medical parole in less than 2 months against the recommendation of the Medical Parole Advisory Board. The respondents, the Helen Suzman Foundation and the DA, sought recourse, wanting the parole decision to be urgently reviewed and set aside. They have until the 1st of July to file their opposing papers in the SCA. Aphumelele Mdlalane, SABC News, Bloemfontein.